Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video we're going to learn about, is there any standard way to check for the null, undefined or the blank variables in the JavaScript. So we don't need to create a function. We're going to simply go for the conditions here. So I'm going to simply write a condition here. Well, variable is not, and in else condition I'll just put the same thing, but I just remove the not from here, the variable. So now I have to define the variable and give it a value here. Okay, and run it here, and it will give me that the variable is not null, undefined or the blank. Okay, so if I just go for the null value, it will give me the variable is null. So if I just go for the undefined, it will give me null again, undefined again. And if I just go for the empty string, it will still give me the null undefined value, the null undefined. And if I go for the 0 value, it will still go for the null and undefined. And if I last go for the false, it will still give me null and undefined or the blank in return. Okay, so whenever you use all of these values that I have mentioned, null, undefined, blank string, 0 and the false value, in those cases this condition will always return you the false. Okay, but if I try to use any of the values here, just like hello, it will return 2 and this block of the code will be executed. As you can see here, the variable is not null, undefined or the blank. All right, okay, so this is the one thing. This is how we can check for the null, undefined or the blank variables. If you also want to check whether the variable does exist or not, what you can do here, you're gonna simply write another condition and you're gonna write the type of well undefined. If the variable is undefined or haven't even declared yet, you must simply console log variable does not exist. Okay, I will put a else condition true. If the variable does exist or is defined, console log this that the variable does exist. All right, so if I just run this, we will have that the variable is not null and the variable does exist. All right, but if I just simply remove this to check whether a variable does even exist or declared or not, it will give me the error because we are using the well inside the condition and well is not even defined yet. So that's why we are having an error. So I'm gonna simply comment out this code, and now I'm gonna check this condition. Let me just clear this out and run it again. The variable does not exist. Okay, so if the variable does exist, well and null, it will return that the variable does exist. Okay, but remember one thing here, for the undefined value, it will return you that the variable does not exist. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is how you can check for the null, undefined or the blank values or the variables in the JavaScript. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.